This impact socket set is made with high torque, high strength steel. They are compatible with 1/2 inch, but it does give you a tool to connect it to impact drivers. These also have very deep wells. That's much more convenient.
Each socket is clearly marked with its size. Here we've got the 14 millimeter. Line up the hole with the ball bearing, give it a slight push, and now it's locked in place. That's what you want. I'm using size 17 for this first one, 14, and the last two are 13 millimeters. It does a great job.